Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to give you the update on the 2019 Ford Lightning F-150. So on the door panel, we added this custom lasered logo detail. It's actually acrylic, lasered out with the name of the client's business, along with the F-150 badge. And that actually changes color so that you can decide on any color that you want. Alright, so one of the major features on this truck is obviously this is a single cab truck. So it's really hard to fit a ton of woofers in here. So we were actually able to get 412 audio mobile subs in here. These subs are amazing, especially for this type of application, actually anything in general, but they lend themselves especially well to really tight spaces. They're shallow, they work in really small enclosures, but they still take a ton of power. I mean, this thing rocks. So what we did is the enclosure is actually as wide as you can go from top to bottom, and then obviously the pitch. The seat still actually goes all the way back and still fully reclines. So the client didn't have to sacrifice any leg room, but he has 412s in a single cab truck. So as part of it, we also built this badge. So this is actually a Ford Lightning badge from like the 40s or 50s, I believe. And we made the badge so that it looks like the original badge that would have been on the grill of the truck, as well as we lasered out the lightning bolt, all the etching, the Ford logo, everything you see here. These trims are actually meant to kind of mimic the chrome bars that would have been next to the badge on the hood, obviously in a much smaller scale, but we made it bigger so that it kind of goes with the truck. We even went as far as there's actually some mounting points up here. So we actually even went as far as lasering these little caps, and they all have a little lightning bolt on them. So it's just a small detail, but it goes with the truck. On this truck, we actually went fully active. So we're running an VXI 808. So we're running 2 channels to each tweeter, 2 channels to each middler, and then 4 channels bridge to each mid-bass driver. On the sub side, we're running an HD 1201, and that's actually powering the 412 audio mobile subs. There's also an epicenter in this car for use with Spanish music or older music or music that just doesn't have the bass that modern music does. Alright, so on this truck we decided to go with Kevlar 3-ways. We actually custom made these A-pillar pods, which are lasered acrylic, pressed steel, and then vinyl to match. They house a Kevlar tweeter and a Kevlar middler. Alright, so one of the main problems that this truck had is that it came with the 4-inch Ford radio. So what we ended up doing is installing this Halo 9-inch that actually takes up obviously much more real estate, much easier to watch. The camera looks better. It also does all of your engine management functions. With the Halo, we're able to use a Maestro, which just allows us to do gauges, check engine light, tire pressure, battery voltage, basically all of the functionality of the car on the touchscreen. So as far as power, what we did on this truck is we actually ran an excess power D3400R. The R stands for reverse terminals. That just seemed to work better in this application. It allowed us to keep the stock terminals, but we also added on these excess power terminals. Now in this particular install, it is an aluminum body truck. So what we ended up doing is we ran entire runs of 1-aught power and ground. So each amplifier has its own dedicated 1-aught power and 1-aught ground. We actually also added an Ohio generator, 320 amp alternator, as well as upgraded all the electrical, the big 3, with 1-aught cable as well. Alright, so for the fusing, we actually made this custom bracket which supports the fuse holders. They're bolted to it. The wire is tech flexed as well as Tessa taped. In order to hold the custom battery, because it's larger than the original, we actually bent and powder coated this bracket so it bolts down and holds the battery in place.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.